We're gonna have to start soon. He's gonna come back. Okay. You have your thoracic aorta here, and off of the thoracic aorta, you have your intercostal arteries, which are the red. The blue are your intercostal veins, and the white are your intercostal nerves. Comes down in the thoracic aorta. You have your abdominal aorta. Here is your inferior phrenic, which is the inferior side of your diaphragm. You don't see your superior phrenics because it would be along the outside of the diaphragm. Here is your celiac trunk. Your celiac trunk has the 3 small branches. The branch going to the right is your
He said we don't have to know.
hepatic. What?
He said we don't have to know this.
Yeah, he did. He said know the branch. Yeah, he said to know what the branches are consistent.
But you don't have to know which one is which.
This one you can see is going to the right. It's your hepatic. This would be your gastric, and this would be your superior mesenteric.
But I used to live in Ridge.
And then your would be this your gonadals.
No, gonadals in between.
So your superior mesenteric. Which one?
Yeah. This area.
Mesenteric.
This
This is your superior.
Inferior.
Inferior. So where would be your gonadals?
I think 393
Somewhere around here.
Yeah.
These 2 little things?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's nothing coming out of them. Okay. So then if this is your superior mesenteric, your gonadals, and then your inferior. Then here you get down to your common iliacs, and then you have your internal iliac,
Goes to the
and your
pelvis.
that goes in towards your pelvis, and the external goes out into the outside of the leg.
She did that.
Yeah.
And also the median.
And then these are your renals, because it goes into your
And right in
kidneys.
there is like median something. Forgot what's it called? Median sacral. Median sacral.
Right.
That little red.
It's actually, yeah, the median sacral is probably this little itty bitty one here. You probably could see it better on the
That's
other
what I
model.
think it is.
The median
Is there
sacral.
anything else you can see in other torsos that you can't see on this one?
See a little vessel in there?
Yeah.
It's like a tiny, tiny,
So-
tiny vessel.
This right here.
These
is your-
3 are your celiac trunk.
Okay.
These 3 are your celiac trunk. Here is your inferior phrenic that lines the inside of your diaphragm. You don't see the superior because it lines the outside of the diaphragm. The 3 parts of the celiac trunk are the one that goes to your right is for the liver. This would be your hepatic. This would be your gastric, and this would be your superior. No, I'm sorry. This would be your.
Yeah, I don't remember what that one is. If the answer was close, what if you cross that out? It was right there. You'll give it? Partial? Maybe I'll have some splenic, I'm sorry.
Your splenic. Between one of these would be your splenic and one would be your gastric, but we
Okay.
can't tell specifically based on location.
Okay.
So hepatic, gastric, splenic, superior mesenteric, gonadals, inferior mesenteric.
Okay.
These would be your common iliac, inferior iliac, external iliac, and then this little thing would be your median sacral, because it would be going towards your sacral bone,
Yeah.
which would be back there. But I don't think he said what these little ones are up here. I don't know.